So today, I'm going to explain to you why our solar system, compared to all of the other planets that we've discovered so far, is kind of a weird place to live. Now, extrasolar planets, or planets that orbit around stars other than our own sun, have pervaded the genres of science fiction and fantasy for over 100 years. But if we could go back in time just one generation, to when your parents were in college or graduate school, and ask them whether the stars in the night sky had solar systems just like our own orbiting around them, their response would most likely have been a resounding, maybe? Which isn't really the most definitive of answers. Then again, these people would also have told you that Pluto is a planet, so maybe their input is not to be trusted. But that's understandable, because everything that we know about extrasolar planets has come to light only in this most recent generation of science, with the first exoplanet being discovered only 20 years ago. That means that until 1992, we had a sample size of exactly one solar system to work with. So all of our theories about planet formation and life evolving on other worlds is based on the 8 planets orbiting around our own sun. Now, at first that might not seem like a problem. After all, our solar system is here, so obviously planets like the ones that we neighbor can exist. Why not base our theories off of them? Turns out that in these past 20 years, astronomers have discovered 1,500 new planets orbiting around over 600 different stars, and the vast majority of them look nothing like the worlds in our system. So as far as we can tell right now, our solar system is kind of strange. Now, there are 2 ways to showcase that claim. The first is that we are missing some of the most common types of planets that we see around other stars. We're missing the super-Earths, planets between the mass of Earth and Neptune that astronomers still don't understand the composition of. And we certainly don't have any hot Jupiters, which is a Jupiter-sized planet orbiting inside the orbit of Mercury. Now, on the other hand, we do have some things that we don't see elsewhere. For example, our own Jupiter, which hangs out with our gas giants far away from the sun, is not something we see very commonly around other stars. And tightly packed inner systems like Mercury and Venus are also a little bit lacking. Now, there's not much I can do about that first problem. I cannot magically conjure an extra Jupiter and stick it inside the orbit of Mercury just so that we fit in with the other solar system kids. But the second one has a little bit more leeway, because the fact that we haven't yet found any solar system siblings for our own doesn't mean they don't exist. It might mean that we just haven't been looking long enough. So 20 years from now, when the next generation of astronomers looks back at us, they might snicker about the fact that we did not immediately believe other solar systems exist around stars in the night sky. Or by then, they might have proven the fact that our own solar system is a rarity and an odd duckling in the universe. But no matter which they decide, it will have profound impacts for understanding our own place in the galaxy and the universe. Thank you.